Welcome today in front of me Realme GT Master Edition, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first you should go to the settings icon, and here just find the home screen, lock screen and always on display section. Go there and just scroll down with your finger to the wallpaper section. Go there, and as can you see, you can choose your new wallpaper from your photos on your phone if you got some photos here, and also from the statistic wallpaper and live wallpaper. For example, we'll go with this one, and now just, for example, I'll select this wallpaper. You can also see another one, and just tap here to apply, and we want to change the lock screen wallpaper, so tap there, confirm, and now we'll check. Yes, can you see right now our home screen wallpaper has changed successfully. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.